Now here's a very important tip I don't want you to miss. Okay, I'm cleaning up, and sure enough, this was the bit that I broke. And you don't see the size of it. Go on the back side and see right there. There it is, 1/8 inch. That's what I need. And I would encourage you to make it a point on your next trip to your hardware store, or even before that, you know, even if you weren't planning on going to the store, go by after work or something like that, or on the weekend, whatever, and get yourself a couple extra bits. You know, this one's an 1/8 inch bit, and by the way, 1/8 inch is something that you use for lots of things, so you might want to get a couple of them. Then you've got an extra in case that ever happens again. Now, if you don't do that, and a couple months come by and pass, or a few weeks, and you have another job that needs a drill bit, guess which one you're gonna need? Yeah, the broken one. It seems to happen like that all the time. Then you're scrambling to figure out something else on how to drill your hole or how to do it a different way, okay? So get those drill bits and get them now. There's a tip for you. Oh, and last but not least, clean up after yourself and get that rug flipped back over. See, if you didn't have a rug there at all, I wouldn't want you to scratch the floor. If you might have linoleum there, this is a tile floor, but you could still mark up the tile. You could mark up your linoleum. You can mark up laminate flooring or actual wood flooring. So put a drop down when you're working, or flip your rug over and work off of that if you have to. So next time you need to open your trash compactor, you can pull it right here like that. You can push on there just a little bit and get it pulled out a little bit further so you don't have to reach as far in there, and then pull it. Or no hands, you can just do that. That's what I like about that bottom thing. But you can only put your foot in there so far. So, you know, try it a few different ways on how you want to do it. And if that's too difficult for you, pull it out right here. There you go. Oh. Oh. Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.